Hi guys, so I'm going to demold these. I will tell you what I did in a minute. I had leftover resin, so I figured I'll just go ahead and play. It's a much thinner resin than for a 3D bloom, so it still kind of looks cool. Just having to play with the leftovers. And I did a little keychain hummingbird. I think he looks pretty cool. The white did drop, but like I said, it's a much thinner resin than you would use for a bloom. So that's probably why the white dropped quite a bit, but it still looks cool. I did use the Art Pro. It's 3:2. I know when you try to do the Larimar or the Crackle, that's generally the resin that you use. I did not put it in my bubble machine or wait. I just mixed it up and then started filming. So this is a mold from Julie Cut, Pouring Your Heart Out. I love it. And again, it didn't work very well. Got lots of bubbles still, but I can see where it kind of started to try to do the effect that I wanted. I have not taken the classes for the resiners course for the Larimar or any other flowers. I'm trying to figure it out on my own, because once I figure it out, I can share what I did. There's no secrets. So I will keep playing, keep trying to get this all figured out for you and me. And I wouldn't say it's a fail, because there is some effects to it. And I'm just learning. I'm really just learning, but I love this mold. This mold is gorgeous. I had done another one and it didn't turn out either. The backs always look so cool. I want to try and get this on the front, but this one didn't turn out very well either, but it still had some effect. But this was with my 1:1, which is a much thicker, like what I would use for a bloom. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep trying and experimenting so I can figure out how to do a Crackle or the Larimar. I was closer with one of my other videos, so I will probably go back myself and rewatch and see what I did, and keep trudging on, keep playing, and once I figure it out, I'll be able to share with you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.